Hi, I'm Rick with the City of Sarasota Parks and Recreation District. Today we're going to make a tabletop foosball table using some household items. You're going to need a box, some tape, glue, some clothespins, construction paper, skewers, scissors, markers, and tape. So first we're going to take your box. If you have a regular box, you're going to want to mark up what you need to cut off. So what we've done here is we've traced out where we want our goals. So we're going to need to keep those, and we X'd off all the spots that we're going to cut off. Good. Okay, so we have our goals cut out. We're going to cut the top off the box. So now your box is all open like so. So we're going to take it and fold it up, and if we close it up, you can see the outlining of the goal here. So here's where our tape's going to come in. So you want to have your tape measured out just so there's a little bit of an overhang over the side. Goals are set in place. So once we tape the box, you have your goals showing here and here. Nice. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put down the turf. So for this, we're going to take the roll of tape and we're just going to use it to make a circle for the center. And I'm just going to go on the inside of the tape. I'm just going to draw a line right through the center. Again, you just need to estimate, it doesn't need to be exact. Okay, so we take our glue stick and we are going to use a good amount of glue on the back here. This should look like that. All right, next part, we're gonna take our skewers, and this is what we're gonna use as the levers for the soccer players, which are our clothespins. So they're gonna attach like this and spin around. So for this, you wanna make sure that there's enough space from the bottom of the box and the clothespin so that it can rotate. So what I did for here was I just took the clothespin, I laid it on the box so it was close to the bottom but not touching. Took one of the skewers and you just mark a hole where that goes. And from there we're just gonna actually go straight down and we're gonna punch a starter hole on the other side, and we're gonna do the same thing for the second hole. Opposite directions. And we're gonna take our clothespins. This is gonna be part of the red team. And we're just gonna attach the players to their respective sides. Okay, so once we get to here and we know that the players are gonna rotate, what I wanna do is we're gonna clip the tips of these skewers up because they can get a little sharp and we don't want anybody to get hurt. So again, just gonna go to the edge and clip. Now just kind of try to keep an eye on where these things fly because sometimes they go all over the place. Okay, now right there, good. Okay, there's one of them and the other one. All right, so now we have our players. We know that they rotate. We're gonna put them in front of the goals. Next thing we're going to do is we're gonna take our other piece of construction paper and we're just gonna make a simple ball. So you just take a strip of construction paper, any color you'd like, crumple it up nice and tight. And I'm gonna use our tape to make it a little bit tighter. So you're just gonna wrap it, kind of make a construction tape ball out of this one. But next, one last thing before we have fun and play, we need to create our scoreboard. And how we do that, again, we're gonna use our clothespins here. And again, I just have the color according to their team. So we're just gonna do really quick. And from the side here, we're just gonna put a couple numbers on here. actually, and so we know which side's what, we're going to just color the end of the skewer the color of the team. So now we know that this is going to be the red side and controlling the red player, and you want this one on the black side controlling the black player. So now we just take our ball, we drop it in, and we have a little bit of fun. Goal!